Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the functionality of our custom module, Sales Double Validation. This module allows to validate sale order in two levels of approvals. User can set double validation amount. If the quotation amount is less than double validation amount, then the sale order will be confirmed. Otherwise, the approval will have to be taken from the sales manager. So let's start. First of all, let's go to the sales menu and then configuration and settings. Here I am logged in as sales manager. Here we can see level of approvals. At first we will select confirm sale order in one step and then save it. Now create a quotation. Here I am logged in as Mark Demo. Add customer name, Gemini Furniture, GST treatment, and fill all other details. Now click on save button and then confirm order. Here we can see sales order has been created. So this is the flow of one-step sales validation. Now we have to check the two-step sales validation. Just go back to the sales manager and then enable get two level of approvals of confirm a sale order and set double validation amount for approving a sale order. Let's suppose I add 6,000, then click on save. Now again create a quotation and check two-step sales validation. Add customer name, again I choose Gemini Furniture, add GST treatment and all other details. Add product in order line, like I add price of 5,000. Price 2,000. That's all. Now again save it and then click on confirm order button. Here we can see new stage will be shown here as to approve and new button also we can see confirm sale. After that, when we click on confirm sale button, a warning message will be pop up that your order can be approved by only sales manager. Simple user cannot be approved if the limit of amount is exceeded. Okay. Now let's go to the sales manager dashboard. Just go to the orders. Here we can see my sale order. Then click on confirm sale button to approve the order. Here we can see sale order has been confirmed now. Now check as another user as Mark Demo. Here also sale order has been created. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to sales@kanakinfosystems.com.